Hello my dear friends, I am Tariq Ahmed and starting hands-on sessions on MS Word. So what is MS Word? It is word processing software and it comes with Microsoft Office package and it is very useful for students who wants to prepare their resume. You can type letters, applications, you can create or write reports, you can create forms, brochures, business cards, or you can write any article, and it is useful to write your projects, and the professionals can also use it in their workplace to create official documents that they can print and publish. So Microsoft Word is really a very useful application in our daily life and is developed by Microsoft. In this video tutorial, I am going to demonstrate you a very interesting function of MS Word, and that will allow you to insert some sample text in MS Word document. And it is very much required when you learn MS Word or the teachers explain their students by typing some sample text in their document. So this will allow you to insert some sample text and apply certain formatting in MS Word. So how to use this function and what are the settings through which this function can be included in your document? Here I go and let's start. Find out where is the MS Word 2016. Click it. You can find it in most used applications, or you can click on all apps where all apps will be listed. You can scroll it down to find out where is 2016. So here is Word 2016. Launch it. Okay, so this kind of screen you will find in front of you, where you click the blank document. So this is the blank document in front of you, where you can insert the sample text, or you can write some text. You can type some text in your document. So what you're going to do right now over here, there are two ways through which you can type the text in this document. By typing something, for example, my name is Tariq. Okay, fine. So this is one way. Other way will be copying a text from some other document. For example, I have taken some other document, opened it up. So here it is. Copy some text from here, Control C and Control V. Here, bingo. So there are two ways through which you can enter the text in your document: by typing or copying some text from some other document and placing it on your original document. Now what I am going to tell you, that is a special method through which you can enter some sample text, through which you can start learning how to format some text. Now and then you don't have to type the text, or you have to copy some text as a sample text in your document to show some formatting. So here I go. What you have to do, you have to type is equal to rand. This is the function through which the some random text can be included in your document. Parenthesis burn, enter. So how easy it is to include some sample text. Now you can do the formatting with it to teach your students. Bold if you want to do, if you want to make it something italic. Okay, if you want to make it justified. So in this manner you don't have to type the text, you don't have to copy the text from some other document. There is one specialty with this function. You can pass certain values to this function. What? rand. So first value would be, if I type certain value in it, first value will signify that how many paragraphs you want in your sample text. Let's say I say 5. Okay, and how many lines you want in one paragraph. Let's say I say 7, so I should make it short, 3. Okay, now enter. See, so here you have got the 7 paragraphs and each paragraph has got 3 lines. Check out 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so it's so easy to include some sample text in your document through which through this function you can easily incorporate some sample text in your document. Now if this function doesn't work, so where you have to check out for the settings. So I'm telling you here, for example, let's say click on file, go to the option, within word options click on proofing. Okay, then check this autocorrect options. Now here in this you have to be in this tab autocorrect and check out whether this box is enabled or not. Okay, if it is disabled, let's say I disabled it right now because my function was working, and I want to show you that this function will not work if I disable this property. Okay, okay, and then again okay. Let me check it. Is equal to random. Okay, I have 3 comma 2, enter. So it is not identified as a random function because that property is not checked. So to enable this function within your Word document, what you have to do, you have to check out the setting, click on file, go to the options, go to the proofing tab, click autocorrect options and enable it. Okay, and then okay. Now again you are ready with this. If I make it insertion cursor over here and press enter, you will find three paragraphs are included in your document. So it's so easy to include the sample text in your document. If you want the text in your Latin language, so you will write is equal to LOREM, bracket close, enter. So the paragraphs will be included in your Latin. Okay, same is applied with the values is equal to lorem 4 comma 3. So 4 paragraphs and 3 sentences in each paragraph. So here you can see that the 4 paragraphs are included and the 3 sentences are included in each paragraph. So this is the simple way through which you can include the sample text. Start working and happy learning. Thank you all.